on the Steam Peninsula. There might be a shower or two this afternoon, but of course the point as July closes is the fact that it has been very hot. We had at the opposite end of the country down in Monmouthshire record-breaking wet temperatures in Wales. Scotland and Northern Ireland not record-breaking but still very hot, but most of us at least know by now that we had record-breaking temperatures. The all-time July record was broken at Wisley in Surrey just over a week ago. But this afternoon it couldn't be much different. A much fresher feel. Temperatures still a little above average actually for the time of year, but the reason for the change, low pressure moving in off the Atlantic. So Atlantic winds, but at least it brought most of us, and a big topic of conversation at the moment, some useful rain. And as that low pressure moves in this afternoon, we'll have yet more showers falling across Northern Ireland and eventually western Scotland. Ahead of that, very few showers at the moment, beautiful sunshine for many of us, and still quite warm even though temperatures are some 10 degrees down on those records that we saw. So 23 for Newcastle in the sunshine, 1 or 2 showers here, and just 1 or 2 showers filtering across into eastern areas. So I think most of us will have more sunshine and more dry weather than we will have showers. It is going to be a pretty brilliant afternoon. So the heat wave over, but certainly we haven't lost the sunshine, not at least for today. However, as usual, things will change, and even though temperatures are considerably down on last week, in fact, on just recent days, the sun is just as strong. And plenty of that sunshine through this evening as we lose the showers. The big talking point overnight, it will be much more comfortable if you're trying to sleep, but also much wetter for Northern Ireland and Western Scotland, because that low pressure comes in, and as well as bringing rain, it will bring some pretty lively winds, force 7 here, so we're near gale force, quite unusual for this time of year. Very different complexion, therefore, to the weather tomorrow morning for the drive to work here. And that's where we'll see the wettest weather, I think, during the day. Across Scotland, Northern England and Northern Ireland, the rain will break up a little as it crosses the Highlands and Grampians, but you can see more showers as well for England and Wales, and there will be more around them today. More breeze as well, so it'll feel a little fresher again, and certainly cooler for Scotland and for Northern Ireland. And that theme will continue for the first couple of days of this week. Cooler, blustery and showery. Very different indeed, but for some of us, very welcome as well. And the big change is because we've got area of low pressure anchored across the northern half of the UK. As well as that, we could see this little fellow bringing us some rain close by to southern parts of England during Monday night. So again, some more welcome rain for many by Tuesday morning. But by and large on Tuesday, the wettest weather will again be close to that area of low pressure across Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England. And a fresh day, that continues. But during the second half of the week, if you want that sunshine back, well, you don't have to wait much longer, because by then the showers will become increasingly confined to the northern and eastern half of the country, and that's because we've got this Atlantic high building in instead. So that will quieten things down. It will ease the winds, it will kill off the showers, and it will bring more sunshine, especially for Northern Ireland, Wales and the southwest as we head into Thursday, because still with a northerly breeze, mind, it'll feel quite chilly down the east coast and quite showery as well. But by the time we get to Friday, even here, things will start to quieten down, temperatures will start to rise again, and hopefully it will be back to business as normal, but with that northerly wind, it won't get too hot. Hopefully by next weekend we'll start to see temperatures recovering again, but by the same token we'll have some pretty chilly nights.